I don't know. There's a darkness on this ship.
Leads to the next.
I'm scared, Dad. What if I can't do this?
Follow me.
Never thought possible. The future of the belt has begun.
Get ready, sci-fi fan. Today we are counting down the top 10 mind-blowing sci-fi TV series on Amazon Prime Video. From futuristic world to thrilling adventure, these shows will take you on a journey you won't forget. Let's dive in. Number 10. Fallout. Fallout is set in a retro-futuristic world ruined by nuclear war where people survive inside underground worlds. When a young woman leaves her world searching for the truth, she enters a violent wasteland filled with mutants, dangerous factions, and hidden secrets. Blending dark humor with brutal survival, the series explores power, corruption, and hope after the end of civilization.
Natural things in the game. But good people? No.
What you plan on doing once we find your daddy?
Gonna bring him to justice. So people.
At number 9, The Peripheral.
It was like being there in your mom.
Piloting that body as if it were your own.
The Peripheral follows Crane Fisher, a young woman who discovers a connection to a mysterious future through advanced technology. As she navigates this dangerous alternate reality, she uncovers conspiracy that could alter the course of history. The series blends sci-fi, suspense, and thrilling twists, delivering a complex, high-stakes story that keeps viewer hooked. At number 8, Citadel Dyna. Elite spy Dinah uncovers a dangerous global conspiracy that threatens everything she holds dear. Shadows from her past resurface, and every ally could be a traitor. As the danger escalates and time runs out, she must rely on cunning, skill, and quick thinking to survive. In a world where trust can be deadly, can she stop the threat before it's too late? At number 7, The Expanse. The Expanse follows a solar system on the brink of war where tensions rise between Earth, Mars, and the Belt. A detective and a ship's crew uncover a vast conspiracy involving a mysterious alien substance that could threaten all of humanity. The series delivers intricate politics, suspenseful mystery, and epic space battle, blending hard sci-fi with thrilling human drama. Number 6, Star Trek Picard. Years after leaving Starfleet, Jean-Luc Picard is pulled back into a dangerous web of secrets and conspiracies. Haunted by his past, he must navigate political intrigue, hidden enemies, and mysterious forces threatening the galaxy. With allies uncertain and every choice carrying deadly consequences, Picard faces a mission where failure could mean annihilation. At number 5, The Rig. When a massive storm traps an oil rig crew in the middle of the North Sea, strange and deadly occurrences begin to unfold. Isolated and cut off from the world, the crew faces a mysterious threat lurking in the shadows. As tension rises and fear takes hold, every decision could be their last. In a place where survival is uncertain, who or what will make it out alive? At number 4, Secret Levin. Secret Tale follows a group of gamers who discover a hidden level in a popular virtual reality game only to realize it has deadly real-world consequences. Trapped in a game that blurs reality, they must solve puzzles and survival lethal traps to escape. The film delivers tense action, clever twists, and high-stakes suspense that keep viewers on the edge of their seats. At number 3, Upload. Upload follows a young app developer who dies unexpectedly and is uploaded into a luxurious digital afterlife. Navigating virtual perks, glitches, and corporate setup, he uncovers dark truths about the system controlling the afterlife. The series blends sci-fi, comedy, and romance, offering sharp social commentary while keeping viewers entertained with clever twists and emotional stakes. At number 2, Invincible. Invincible follows Mark Grayson, a normal teenager whose life changes when he develops superpowers like his father, the world's greatest hero. As Mark tends to become a superhero, he slowly discovers a dark and shocking truth behind his father's legacy. The series mixes brutal action with emotional storytelling, showing that being a hero comes with devastating sequences. At number 1, Gen V. Set in the brutal The Boys universe, Gen V follows young Soap training at Good Luckin University, where fame, power, and survival collide. As secrets about the school and VA surface, friendship crack, and morality is tested. The cast is strong, the tone is dark and sharp, and the violence has purpose. It is smart, shocking, and surprisingly emotional.